So here we are at the Goldengate Computer Society annual barbecue. So Al, what's on the menu here?
Oh, we got cheeseburgers, hot dogs, hamburgers, veggie burgers.
All right.
We're just cooking right along here. Doing a good job now.
That's what I was thinking.
What do we have? What do we have over on this side here? What are we cooking? Good. I think we need more chicken on there.
Tofu.
Oh, tofu. That's not tofu. Oh, that looks good.
I fall behind a little bit.
Cooked too much too soon.
Yeah, no, we'll start getting some people coming by in a second. Okay. How you guys doing?
Yeah, having a ball.
Yeah? How's the weather?
Weather is warmer. It's getting warmer.
Yeah, but it's not hot, right?
And the trees,
Okay.
the
Not yet.
trees are wonderful.
Just checking.
Yeah.
It's going to be
Nice shade
89
and beautiful
degrees
scenery.
today.
89? Perfect. Perfect.
Good food.
Yesterday was 96.
You guys got your food? No, I don't see any food on your table yet.
We thought you were bringing it to us.
Oh, okay. Give me a second. You see what my shirt says?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. I'll just drop everything and go get your food then.
Thanks, Marcelino. We'll see you again real soon.
What do you guys got going here?
There you go.
What are we
All
going
right.
in? We have hot dogs, hamburgers,
Hamburgers, veggie burgers,
and veggie
Oh,
burgers.
looks like a cheeseburger there.
then
Well, there's a veggie burger.
A veggie
You
burger.
got a veggie going.
And down that way is chicken.
I've already got the chicken.
Oh,
You got some chicken?
yeah, you got a chicken. Is it alive or dead?
There we go. So what do you think? Is there anything left?
Yeah.
Oh, good, good. I'm glad there's some food left. All right.
It's delicious.
Thank you. See what they got going over here.
It's 9:15.
You have to be present to win on this one.
Well, yeah, after I get a new job. Okay.
Everybody say hi. Hi. Everybody have a good time?
Yes.
All right.